What I'm getting up to today is changing the slide pins on the caliper carriers for my R32. So I've given the caliper carriers a little refresh. These are the original ones that were on the car. Quite expensive to buy new ones. I did, however, buy brand new TRW calipers for the rear of the car. On camera, the paint match is pretty good. In reality, I mean, it's almost there, but you know, it's good enough. So today, let's get the slide pins changed. I've got new solid brake pipes to go onto the new calipers, new brake hoses, retaining springs, new springs for the calipers, new slide pins and new bolts. So let's make a start. This is a pretty easy job to do, really. What I did is, when I repainted the caliper carriers, I left the original slide pins and these little rubber boots in place just to offer a little bit of protection on those surfaces rather than masking up. I was happy to sacrifice those, knowing that I had brand new ones ready and waiting to go on. So let's get these changed over. It's a pretty simple task. These will just pretty much pull straight out, like so. Bit of grease on there. So let's get the old ones out. That and that. There we go. Got a cloth here. Let's just give that a quick little wipe. That one, that one. That one and that one. Okay. So, first things first, let's get that open, and that has all the bits that I need. That can go out the way, that can go out the way, there we go. So, brand new slide pins, little rubber boots or gaiters, brand new bolts, and some grease as well. So let's get that open. Let's give that a little cut there. Right. Excellent. Let's get these all together. I'll stick a little bit of grease on there. Just to help that rubber boot get over that lip. There we go. Nice. That's the first one done. We'll do the same for the second one. Just a tad grease on there. That will help that slide over. Great. That's that done. Some grease on there. A little bit more. Excellent. That's that one. Let's do that one. Lovely. That's all greased up. Now that will be going in there. So let's give that a little go. Great. Perfect. Same with this one. Perfect. Look at that. It looks brand new. So all that I've got left to do, so I'll finish off the other one. I'll get these on the car. The new calipers will be going on. New brake hoses, solid brake pipes, retaining springs, new set of pads in there as well. I'm going to bleed the brakes and that'll pretty much be it for the rear braking on the car.